With the release of SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 15.11, the following SAP ECC transactions are no longer available, which are used to create customer and vendor master data. So FT01, VT01, XT01, these transaction codes are used to create customer master in FI, ST, and centrally. Similarly, FK01, MK01, and XK01 transaction codes are used to create vendor in FI, MM, and centrally. So now what happens to these transaction codes? So these transaction codes are now redirected to transaction code BP, which is the abbreviation of business partner. And this transaction code is now used to create both the customer and vendor master data. So you no longer need to remember all these transaction codes. You can also check that in SAP S/4HANA system. So if I go to accounting and then financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records, and if I double click on FT01, so it will redirect me to transaction code BP. And the message is very clear that transaction code FT01 is now obsolete. So it will ask you which type of business partner you want to create, person, organization, or group. So you have to choose the option according to your requirement. Similarly, if you want to check the transaction code for accounts payable, so you can go to accounts payable, master records, and double click on FK01. And again, the message will appear that transaction code FK01 is now obsolete and you will be redirected to transaction code BP. And if you want to check the transaction code to create customer master in logistics, for example, ST and MM, so you can go to logistics and click on sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer, create. So if you double click on VD01, sales and distribution, again you will be redirected to transaction code BP. The same will happen if you double click on XT01. And similarly, if you want to check the transaction code to create vendor in materials management, go to purchasing, master data, and vendor. So you want to create central or you want to create only purchasing segment. So let's double click on MK01 and again you will be redirected to transaction code BP. And if you double click on central, double click on it. So again you will be redirected to transaction code BP. So what is the need to remove all these transaction codes and have been redirected to transaction code BP? So the reason is that SAP simplifies the data and removes redundancy.